my ears.
I think the right side you should feel more calm.
Feels so nice afterwards.
That's good. Okay.
I've already cracked.
Already cracked a bit, huh? That's okay. Ooh. Wow. That's a big one. Okay. Good.
So because my knees go really far backwards.
That means there's some instability in the joint, so the surrounding muscles gonna work even harder.
Yeah.
Okay,
When it's not busy in the cafe and I stand still, that's when they start hurting.
Just feel a bit twisting and a bit more pressure.
Yeah.
Right? And I need to put my hand through. Okay, relax. A bit nervous, huh? Are you? Yeah. Okay. I can feel your body is fighting me a little bit. Okay, relax. Think about what you're gonna eat for dinner. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. You alright?
Oh, good, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's good.